This is Paravi, and we have a big digital marketing agency and we do YouTube SEO and promotions related work. So I want to introduce our agency to you, sir. Can I share my screen?
Sure.
Thank you so much, sir. This is our website www.fsdfreelancerhelp.com. In this website, you'll find all of our contact informations and all about us. And if you scroll down, then you can see my picture is attached here, and I am CEO and founder of this institute. And we have lot of client history, we have lot of work history. If you go to our client meeting sections, then you'll find there are a lot of buyer meeting we have performed, and we are working with this guy for a long time. And if you go next, then you will find more and more buyer meeting. As you see, this guy is from USA and he hire us for $500 work. This guy is from China, this guy is from USA, and this guy from France, and maximum of our buyer from USA. And we have lot of skilled freelancer working in our team. If you go to our team sections, then you will find there are a lot of freelancer working in our team. And if you go next, then you will find there are 300 plus freelancer working in our agency, and they all are expert. They working beside our team, they working on Fiverr and Upwork also. We have a YouTube channel, sir. This is our YouTube channel, FSD Freelance Help. On this channel we have gained 197K subscriber and uploaded 174 videos. And if you go to our videos popular sections, then you can see 1.5 million views, 8 lakh 19K views, 5 lakh 38K views, and 5 lakh 14K views, and many more. And all of the views we have gained organically with the YouTube SEO, sir. So that is all about our agency. So recently, our team member has audited your YouTube channel and found some on-page SEO problem. And if you can fix that problem, then your channel possible to grow, sir. So if you are interested, then we'll go ahead, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sir. Basically, we found on-page SEO problem on your channel. On-page SEO problem means your video title are not SEO optimized, your video descriptions are not SEO optimized, and you are not using high volume rank tags to your videos. High volume rank tags means which tag has high search volume but competition is low. So we will fix all of the problem and we will research your video title tags and high volume rank tags. We will research for you, and we all of the problem will fixed. And basically we will increase your video SEO score also. Your video SEO score is not up to the mark, so we'll increase your video SEO score. And our basic work method is we do your video title optimization, tags optimizations, research high volume rank tags, and increase your video SEO score. And for YouTube SEO, we have two packages, sir. One is weekly and another is monthly. In a weekly package, we will optimize your 10 video and it costs $120. And another package is monthly. In our monthly package, we will optimize your 30 video and it costs $300. These two are our package available. If you want to hire us, then you have to give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited. Then we can do optimization, everything from our side. But if you do not want to give your channel access, we have another method. You just send your video link to us, then we'll optimize each of your things, and we'll make a report sheet and then hand over to you. Then you just copy and paste to your video by yourself. And
Okay.
and our payment system is when you hire us, then you have to pay 50% advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And for getting payment, we support PayPal, Payoneer, Remitly, and many more things. So if you have any questions to know or anything to know, you can ask.
So I could pay, like, say for instance, like right now I don't have it, but like say for instance, whenever I get paid, I can give you 150 and then do another 150 when the job is done, correct?
Yeah, 120 for 10 videos.
Well, I was gonna do the monthly one.
Monthly one is 300 for 30 videos.
Yeah, so 150 and then 150 when the job
Yeah,
is
yeah,
done,
yeah.
right?
Yeah, 150
Got it.
when we start the work, and after completing the work, 150.
I understand. Okay. And you guys will do 30 videos. That means like one video, because I do like right now the way I do is like one video a day. So it's like, so you do like a whole month worth.
One video, you want to do one video?
Well, right now that's the case I do is because I work and all this other stuff, so I don't have the time to do more than one. So I do one video a day right now at the moment.
Okay. So if you do one video, then you will not get so much result and you can't judge our work. Sorry. At least if you take 10 video service, then you can judge our work and you will get results, sir.
Well, is it like I said, I do video like one video a day, but like I do it like in a big slump. So I'll do like seven in like 2 days, and I'll have it like saved up in YouTube like scheduled for certain days. You understand?
Yeah,
That's the way I do.
you just upload your videos and inform us. Then we will do optimizations, and we can do your bold, older, and new video also.
Okay.
Okay. So which package do you want to start with, sir?
At the moment, like I said, I don't have it like that, so I don't want to. I do want to do the monthly one, but I just need a little bit of time. Is that okay?
Okay. So no problem. You take time, and when you reach a decision, then let us know. But my suggestion is, you at first take our weekly service and judge our work, and if you are satisfied, then you can go for a monthly one, sir.
Okay, that makes sense too. I like that.
Okay. So after finishing the meeting, you just send your 10 video link to us, which 10 video you want to do SEO, and our team member will send his payment informations. And then if you want, then we will start for you, sir.
Okay, and I send those videos. I send those links through an email, right?
Okay, sir. So thanks for your time, and we will try our best to grow your channel, because our client satisfaction is our first priority. Because we do you the better service today, then you will hire us for the next day. So we believe in long-term relationship, and we try our best to grow your channel, sir.
I understand.
Okay, sir. So thanks for your time. So hope to work with you for a long time, and bye for now, sir. Bye bye.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.